Hi there, and welcome to Tech with Shaping Pixel. In this video, we are diving into Part 7 of the AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty. The exam is divided into 4 domains: network design, network implementation, network management and operation, and network security, compliance, and governance. Each domain covers specific skills, from designing global architectures to securing network traffic and ensuring compliance. Network design focuses on optimizing user performance, designing DNS solutions, integrating load balancing, and creating routing strategies across multiple AWS accounts and regions. Network implementation tests your ability to connect on-premises networks to AWS using site-to-site VPNs and Direct Connect, and to automate network infrastructure. Network management and operation covers maintaining connectivity, monitoring traffic, and optimizing for performance and cost. Network security, compliance, and governance assesses your ability to secure networks using AWS WAF, Shield, firewalls, and encryption, as well as monitoring and auditing network activity. Apart from this crash course, cover the preparation question and answers from our YouTube channel at Tech with Shaping Pixel. Review the official AWS exam guide, understand each domain's requirements, and practice with AWS networking tools like CloudWatch, VPC Flow Logs, and Route 53. Good luck on your certification journey. AWS Network Management. Welcome to your guide for mastering network management in Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This course is designed to help you prepare for the AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Certification, focusing on the latest updates and essential networking concepts. This course is ideal for anyone aiming to deepen their understanding of AWS networking services in preparation for the exam. We will provide a high-level introduction to the core network management tools and services available in AWS. Whether you are experienced in designing, implementing, or operating complex AWS and hybrid networking architectures, this course will reinforce your knowledge and help you build confidence for the exam. Key AWS networking tools. Throughout the course, you will explore AWS Config, AWS Trail, Amazon Inspector, and VPC Flow Logs. Each tool will be explained from the ground up, ensuring you understand their roles in managing and securing cloud networks. We will also discuss strategies for solving common challenges in cloud networking and maintaining network security at scale. Exam preparation and next steps. By combining this course with preparation Q&A video available in our YouTube channel at Tech with Shaping Pixel, you will cover all the key topics from the AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Exam Guide, ensuring you are fully prepared to sit for the certification. Managing a handful of machines is straightforward, but as your infrastructure grows into the dozens or hundreds, maintaining consistency becomes a real challenge. Automation is key to reducing human error and ensuring every machine is configured the same way. Why AWS Config matters. AWS Config is designed to help you automatically discover and track your AWS resources. It provides a complete inventory, including configuration details and a history of changes, so you always know how your resources are set up at any point in time. Enabling AWS Config. By default, AWS Config is disabled when you create a new account. To get started, you need to enable the AWS Config Recorder. This module tracks changes in your resource configurations and records them as configuration items for future reference. The AWS Config Recorder. The AWS Config Recorder operates within a specific region and can monitor all current and future resources or adjust selected types. It even supports global resources like AWS Identity and Access Management users, groups, and roles, giving you comprehensive visibility. Delivery and retention. AWS Config typically delivers its findings to an Amazon Simple Storage bucket. You can also send detailed configuration change notifications to Amazon Simple Notification Service or Amazon Event Bridge. By default, AWS Config retains data for 7 years, but you can customize this period. AWS CloudTrail is a service designed to record and track events in your AWS account. It captures both application programming interface, or API requests, and non-API actions, providing visibility into user and service activity across your environment. Types of events. CloudTrail categorizes events into 3 types. Management events, which track control plane operations like creating users or databases. Data events, which log resource-level actions, such as Amazon S3 Object Access. And insight events, which highlight unusual activity to help identify potential issues. Trails and their scope. You can configure CloudTrail with different types of trails. An all-region trail records events across every AWS region in your account and is the recommended option for comprehensive visibility. Single-region trails focus on one region, while organization trails capture events from all accounts within an AWS organization. CloudTrail Lake lets you store, review, and query events for up to 7 years using event data stores. You can filter and analyze events, including those from AWS Config and external sources. Integration with partners like CrowdStrike and GitHub is possible through CloudTrail channels. Accessing and using CloudTrail. By default, CloudTrail is enabled for new AWS accounts. You can view the last 90 days of activity in the Event History dashboard, filter events, and download logs for further analysis or compliance needs. AWS CloudTrail is a powerful tool that records activity across your Amazon Web Services environment, whether you use a single region, all regions, or an entire AWS organization. But what does this mean for your business? Security and visibility benefits. CloudTrail acts as a security ally, capturing detailed records of every API call. If there is an unsuccessful sign-in attempt or someone tries to run a restricted API, your security team can quickly identify what happened, who was responsible, and take steps to prevent it from happening again. This enhanced visibility helps you spot weaknesses in your infrastructure, giving your engineers the information they need to reinforce security boundaries and follow operational best practices. Consolidated analysis and insights. With CloudTrail Trails and CloudTrail Lake, you can consolidate activity from multiple regions into a single Amazon Simple Storage Service bucket. This single pane of glass approach simplifies analysis, making it easier to identify patterns and audit activity at scale. CloudTrail Insights, when enabled, automatically detects and highlights unusual behavior, providing early warnings for potential threats. Auditing and compliance. CloudTrail logs capture essential details like who performed an action, when, from where, and what was changed. This comprehensive audit trail helps your business maintain governance, meet regulatory requirements, and ensure accountability across your AWS resources. Amazon Inspector is a managed security service from Amazon Web Services, or AWS, designed to help you identify vulnerabilities in your EC2 instances and the applications running on them, no matter the stage of development or deployment. How Amazon Inspector works. The service uses automated assessments based on hundreds of best practices and known security weaknesses. It checks for common vulnerabilities and exposures, or CVEs, which are well-documented security threats. Amazon Inspector also leverages Center for Internet Security benchmarks, global standards for protecting data and IT resources. By analyzing runtime behavior and security best practices, it provides a comprehensive security overview. Key features and customization. Amazon Inspector is agent-based, requiring software agents on your EC2 instances. This makes it easy to integrate with your existing AWS infrastructure. You can customize assessments by selecting packages that fit your organization's standards, ensuring specific security loopholes are identified and addressed quickly. Compliance and reporting. After each assessment, Amazon Inspector generates detailed reports highlighting findings and threats. These records are valuable for auditors and help maintain compliance with certifications like PCI. Benefits and scalability. Amazon Inspector is cost-effective compared to traditional solutions, scales with your organization, and automates security assessments, reducing the need for specialized security expertise. Amazon Inspector is a managed security service from Amazon Web Services, or AWS, designed to help you identify vulnerabilities in your EC2 instances and the applications running on them, no matter the stage of development or deployment. How Amazon Inspector works. The service uses automated assessments based on hundreds of best practices and known security weaknesses. It checks for common vulnerabilities and exposures, or CVEs, which are well-documented security threats. Amazon Inspector also leverages Center for Internet Security benchmarks, global standards for protecting data and IT resources. By analyzing runtime behavior and security best practices, it provides a comprehensive security overview. Key features and customization. Amazon Inspector is agent-based, requiring software agents on your EC2 instances. This makes it easy to integrate with your existing AWS infrastructure. You can customize assessments by selecting packages that fit your organization's standards, ensuring specific security loopholes are identified and addressed quickly. Compliance and reporting. After each assessment, Amazon Inspector generates detailed reports highlighting findings and threats. These records are valuable for auditors and help maintain compliance with certifications like PCI. Benefits and scalability. Amazon Inspector is cost-effective compared to traditional solutions, scales with your organization, and automates security assessments, reducing the need for specialized security expertise. To configure Amazon Inspector, start with your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, instances. In this example, there is one Linux and one Windows instance, both tagged with an operating system key and the appropriate value. Agents are already installed on each instance. When reviewing your assessment runs, understanding findings is key. Each run generates findings that highlight issues or areas for improvement, categorized by severity and detailed for easy analysis. Navigating severity levels. In the console, findings are grouped by severity: high, medium, low, and informational. For example, one assessment run revealed 4 findings for Linux and 230 for Windows, with most high-severity issues on Windows. Exploring high-severity findings. High-severity findings provide detailed information, including the unique resource name, run name, target, template, and assessment times. You can see which rules package triggered the finding, such as the Center for Internet Security benchmarks, and get direct links to affected instances. Medium and low-severity examples. Medium findings might flag issues like allowing root logins over Secure Shell, or SSH, on Linux, increasing brute force risk. Low-severity findings often involve insecure protocols with recommendations to switch to encrypted versions for better security. Informational findings and exporting data. Informational findings may note unused open ports, suggesting you disable unnecessary services. You can export all findings as a comma-separated values file for easier tracking and team collaboration. Prioritize high-severity findings first, then address medium and low issues. Use filters and exports to streamline your remediation process and keep your environment secure. Amazon Inspector is a powerful tool for assessing the security of your AWS resources, but its true strength comes from how it integrates with other AWS services, specifically Amazon CloudWatch and AWS CloudTrail. These integrations enhance your ability to monitor, track, and audit your security assessments. Monitoring with Amazon CloudWatch. With Amazon CloudWatch, you can keep a close eye on Amazon Inspector's activity. CloudWatch allows you to monitor specific metrics for both assessment targets and assessment templates. For example, you can track the number of assessment runs within your account using an aggregate metric. These insights help you understand the performance and activity of Amazon Inspector, giving you detailed statistics to inform your security decisions. Auditing with AWS CloudTrail. From an auditing perspective, AWS CloudTrail plays a crucial role. Every API call made by Amazon Inspector is logged by CloudTrail. This means you can see exactly who performed what action and when. All of this information is stored in CloudTrail log files within Amazon Simple Storage Service, or S3, making it easy to review and audit your security operations. Benefits of integration. By combining Amazon Inspector with CloudWatch and CloudTrail, you gain enhanced monitoring and auditing capabilities. This integration supports better governance and security audits, ensuring your environment remains secure and compliant. Amazon Inspector is a powerful tool for enhancing your cloud security, but it does come with some important limitations. When setting up assessments, you can include up to 500 agents per assessment, and this number cannot be increased. Each account has a default limit of 50,000 assessment runs, but if you need more, you can request an increase from Amazon Web Services customer support. Additionally, you are limited to 500 assessment templates and 50 assessment targets by default, both of which can be increased if necessary. It is also important to note that rule packages may have limitations depending on the operating system you are using. Cost structure. Now, let us talk about costs. Amazon Inspector uses a straightforward pricing model, UK per agent per assessment run, calculated monthly. For example, running one agent across 20 assessments counts as 20 agent assessments. Similarly, 2 agents across 5 assessments would be 10 agent assessments. The starting price is 30 cents per agent assessment per month, and discounts are available as your usage increases. There are no upfront fees or ongoing maintenance costs, making it a cost-effective choice for many organizations. To sum up, Amazon Inspector offers robust security insights with clear service limits and a simple, scalable pricing structure. Always review your needs and contact Amazon Web Services customer support if you require higher limits. VPC flow logs let you capture IP traffic information flowing between network interfaces in your virtual private cloud, or VPC. With hundreds of resources communicating across subnets and VPCs, these logs are essential for troubleshooting network issues and enhancing security. Key features and limitations. Unlike S3 or CloudFront access logs, VPC flow logs send data to CloudWatch logs, not Amazon S3. However, there are some limitations. You can only view flow logs for peered VPCs within the same account, and EC2 Classic resources are not supported. Once created, a flow log cannot be changed. You must delete and recreate it to modify settings. Setting up VPC flow logs. You can create flow logs for a network interface, a subnet, or the entire VPC. During setup, select a filter for accepted, rejected, or all traffic. Assign an IAM role with permissions to deliver logs to CloudWatch. Each network interface uses a separate log stream, and logs are captured every 10 to 15 minutes. Understanding log entries. Each log entry includes details like version, account ID, interface ID, source and destination addresses, ports, protocol, packet and byte counts, timestamps, action, and log status. The action field is crucial for identifying accepted or rejected traffic. Practical use case. If network traffic is blocked, VPC flow logs help pinpoint whether security groups or network access control lists are the cause.